Hi there, I'm Jana, and I'm the founder of Humanitarian Data Solutions and the Humanitarian Data Academy. And today we're going to be jumping into a short course called the 7 Easy Steps to Get Started in Mobile Data Collection in KoboToolbox. Now, you can take this course for free here on YouTube, or you can jump into the Humanitarian Data Academy. This course is also free there, except if you work through it at the Humanitarian Data Academy, you'll also get a certificate at the end. It's your choice, work through it for free here or on the Humanitarian Data Academy, but either way, I'm so pleased to walk you through the very first steps in getting started in KoboToolbox. Step 1 is to create a KoboToolbox account, okay? We're gonna create a username and password for your very own account. So to get started, I want you to go to KoboToolbox.org, okay? Now the website changes from time to time, so if it doesn't look exactly the same, that's okay. But basically what you're looking for is maybe a button that says sign up in the upper right-hand corner. If you click that, it will just take you down the page where it says sign in or create an account. Now you'll notice that there are 2 servers here. There's the European Union KoboToolbox server, or there's the global KoboToolbox server. Now the server that I'm gonna choose is the European Union KoboToolbox server. That's the one you wanna choose if anyone that you're collecting data on needs to be protected by the GDPR, or the General Data Protection Regulations of the European Union. So if you're collecting data about citizens of the EU, then that's the one you wanna choose. If you don't really care, if you don't really need to abide by that, then choose the global KoboToolbox server. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be creating an account on the European Union KoboToolbox server, and that's one that a lot of organizations choose around the world. Now, the one thing to think about is if you set up an account on this server, all the people in your team who will be collecting data together as part of your project need to also create accounts on the same server. The servers do not talk to one another. So if you set up an account on this server and your teammate sets up an account on the other server, you will not be able to share data or collect data together because you're on 2 completely different servers, okay? So whatever you choose, that's fine. Just make sure it abides by the data protection rules or guidelines that you follow, and make sure that your whole project team is on the same server, okay? That's the most important thing. So let's create an account here on the EU KoboToolbox server, and it's just gonna ask for my details. So I'm gonna enter my name, username, the email address, the country where you'll be collecting data, the sector that you're working in primarily, your organization type, your organization name, your website, and then you can tick to say whether you want to receive occasional updates about KoboToolbox and that you agree with their terms and conditions and their privacy policy, okay? And you can click through to read the terms of service or the privacy policy. And then you want to create a password. Okay, and confirm that. Okay, once you've confirmed your password, filled everything out, I want you to hit create account. Perfect, and it should take you to this page that has the KoboToolbox logo. It says confirm your email address and says please click the activation link in the email just sent to you. Now, if you check your email and you don't see that confirmation email right away, what I want you to do is just wait for 5 minutes, and then I'll show you what the next step is, and we'll be able to get that confirmation link for you. Once 5 minutes has passed, if you don't get that email right away, I want you to go back to this page where it has this logo at the top and asks for you to confirm your email address. I want you to click that logo, and it's going to take you then to the login page. Now, I want you to put in that username and password that you just created, okay? Okay, once you do that, hit login, and it's gonna give you that exact same page again, okay? It's gonna say, well, you didn't confirm yet. Like, you didn't send my email yet. Great. So we're gonna go back here, and you can see now that email has come through to verify your address. So click the link in that email address, say confirm, and now it's gonna pop you into your brand new account. So that is how you set up your very first KoboToolbox account. I want you to go and do that and then join me in the next video where we'll be looking at step 2 in the process. Okay, see you there.